This is fog lamp wiring kit with switch, and this one is 02 ms. In 02 ms you will get the switch, and it's for Ignis and Wagner. And 01 ms will come without switch, and 03 ms it's for new generation Baleno and so on. Here you will get the relay and switch in this. Let's see how the wiring kit is. You will get the tie tacks. This one goes to the bulb, and this one for the switches. For the switch socket, this one neutral and this one remains the trigger. Always carry the switch sockets, dummy switch sockets of your car. Some Maruti cars might have very big switches. In that case, you have to buy 01 which come without switch. In my case, 02 is for Ignis. I am buying for my car. So carry like this dummy switches with you, so that you can compare and buy with or without switches. And this relay kit, you will get almost everything. You just need to plug and play. And this has also the fuse. In this you will get the fuse, and the just plug and play of the bulb sockets. Almost H8, H11, H16 bulb socket will fit into this. And you will get almost 10 to 20% discount if you buy directly from the dealer. If you have any queries, kindly put in the comment, we'll let you know.